Just a little one. This was her idea right there.
What do you think?
Oh yeah, I did. Come on. I got something inside I want to show you.
What?
Come on. You're going to be surprised.
Why are you recording?
Just come on. Don't be such a party pooper. Put your shoes on and let's go.
These...
I did such a good job. I want to get your reaction.
What, did you clean the room?
Maybe.
You were productive today?
What's that? Faith, look down! Look down! You know what that is?
Why did you want to do that?
It was her.
He wanted to put it in the mailbox and have you do it in the mailbox. I told him no. And he was going to do something. I thought this was a lesser of the evil.
This was her idea. She wanted me to do this.
Honestly, if you really believe that.
I don't.
Thank you.
Can we kick him out?
Yes.
Hey, you told me there were no snakes here.
No, I said there was no poisonous ones.
What the hell is that?
It's not poisonous, my dear.
What is it?
Garter snake.
That's disgusting.
Why is it this?
How you were a chicken of it, too.
I did not. I told you it was a branch.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Wait.